How to turn on in-app direct messages notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on in-app direct messages notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one here. Scroll down, you will find push notifications. Click on it and then click in-app notifications, and as you see here you will find direct messages. Just turn it on by one click and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.